Hello, tech enthusiasts. This is TouchSuite, merchant and payment processing and POS systems. Are you ready to dive into the world of Payment Gateway Explained? What is it and how does it work? In today's video, we'll explore the intricacies of payment gateways, breaking down their importance for businesses, understanding their working mechanism, and even discussing high-risk credit card processing. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment down below. Your engagement fuels our passion for creating informative content like this. 1. Understanding the payment gateway. A payment gateway acts as a virtual bridge connecting customers, merchants, and financial institutions. It ensures secure payment information transfer, guaranteeing smooth online transactions. When a customer makes a purchase, the gateway encrypts their payment details, sending it to the payment processor for verification. Upon approval, funds move from the customer's account to the merchant's account, completing the transaction. 2. How does a payment gateway work? Picture this: a customer selects a product, enters payment info, and clicks buy. The gateway encrypts this data, sends it to the payment processor, which checks with the customer's bank. If approved, funds transfer to the merchant, finalizing the purchase. It's a seamless process ensuring both security and efficiency. 3. Importance of a payment gateway for online businesses. Payment gateways enhance customer experience by securing transactions and offering various payment methods. They instill trust and boost conversion rates, making them indispensable for online businesses. 4. Merchant account versus payment gateway. Understanding the difference between a merchant account and a payment gateway is crucial. A merchant account holds funds before deposit, while a payment gateway securely transmits payment info. Both are vital for effective payment processing. 5. High-risk credit card processing and payment gateways. Certain businesses face high-risk classifications, making payment processing challenging. Specialized payment gateway providers offer tailored solutions, enabling these businesses to accept payments while adhering to regulations. 6. Choosing the best payment gateway for your business. Selecting the right payment gateway involves considering integration, security, pricing, and additional services. Seamless integration, robust security measures, competitive pricing, and extra services like recurring billing are essential factors. 7. Best payment processing companies. Leaders in payment processing include PayPal, Stripe, Square, and Braintree. Partnering with these companies ensures efficient payment processing, advanced features, competitive pricing, and outstanding customer support. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Also, if you're looking for top-notch merchant and payment processing services, head over to TouchSuite's website. They offer cutting-edge point-of-sale systems and payment solutions tailored for businesses like yours. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tech-savvy, and we'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.